do purple base, I like to do the either Aurora or cat eyes. Cat eyes get in my eyes, like in my eyes dears.
So then you could do
Cat eyes.
fusioning and then a little bit of cat eye on top. So then you, on your marble nails, you will have some glow.
No, you do it the other way. All right, so no white top coat. And if you want to keep this one matte like earlier, then put up like the matte. But if you want shiny, then we add the Snow White top coat, shiny, floating on the top. I did have the Sky Bling, which is the new powders, 2-in-1 acrylic powder. Is going to launch really soon. You see us at the ABS, we are going to have them there to show with you. So I'm gonna using the pumpkin spice. And can you open this one? Get me this one. Thank you. And I'm using my kids one as well. So here is the pumpkin spice crystal. And add 2 beads. And then gradually I'm going from size like 16 to 12. All right, I'm gonna remove this one. Adjusting it. All right, I'm trying to hold it so then they won't be okay. I'm gonna add a couple more beads. The best way to do the adding of beads on is to do it right between the crystals or the crystal and frame or crystal and crystal, which is in this beautiful designs. We are doing it right on the top. I mean right next to crystal. And it's just make sure you're adjusting your crystal the way you wanted it. And the frame, the beads, I mean. Let's check it again to make sure they are not crooked, because sometimes you're doing a one angle and it looks crooked and it looks like nice on the other angle, so you want to make sure they check both. Okay. I'm gonna add 2 sides right here, like SS8 and SS10. SS10 for the stone size, and then turn it this way to make sure they are like in the center for you. You don't want to key it and then just figure out that is a little bit crooked. So this is one of the things they're doing for your nails. Just make sure you are going to even with the clients, I also doing that too. I also like check it one end, one angle, and then do the other angle as well to make sure they are like looks decent and it's not crooked. All right.
Yeah, I think that's when you just like that, so you don't
Overpower.
or you encapsulate.
Yeah.
Encapsulate look really nice.
You like it? Thank you for liking my nails. All right, I'm gonna move it, wipe it off on the edges to make sure there are no residues left before you cure. Happy with this? We're going to cure.